everybody and welcome to YouTube episode number 130 Sanskriti Kolkata, myself Lalia Dattagupta, and today's episode is on lovely Banarasis in koras and crepes. So let's get started. We'll be showing you some hand woven pure silk koras and also crepes. Product number 1, pastel shade sea green horizontal stripe pure silk kora, heavy quality with silver zari border. It's not the typical shiny silver. It's a very unique shade of silver which is going very well with this aqua color. This is the pallu. Price is 10,900. 10,900. See the back side. It's purely rang cut and it's purely hand woven. It's totally hand woven and well cut zari woven silk organza. The whole sari is in monotone with a contrast lovely pastel shade of baby pink, a strawberry pink blouse piece. So with this contrast blouse piece, this color will look more gorgeous. So this is the product number 1 in pure silk kora, and here is the pallu once again for you. Another new color, it's an onion pink shade. It's a dusty onion color. Beautiful, uncommon. Actually, no, these are dusty shades. Even though these are dusty shades, these have a different elegance and a class. These colors look so pretty. I've seen Vaidya Rehman ji, Sharmila Tagore ji wear these kind of colors and they look so pretty. These are absolutely elegant shades, very rare colors. We think we won't be able to carry these colors, but actually these are stunning pieces. 12,900, again silver zari with sea green and onion pink color combination. The whole sari will have buttas throughout till the end, and yes, it will have the bright lovely sea green color, emerald green color blouse piece with this. So here is the blouse piece for this, and here is the sari. It's a lovely shade of onion color, and that also with the sea green border pallu and blouse piece. It's looking very, very gorgeous. Beautiful piece. Product number 3, lemon yellow and strawberry pink. So see, I've kept your words. You've been commenting to show some pastel shades also. So these are the new colors that has been created on your demand. It's a beautiful shade of lemon yellow. It's a deep lemon yellow actually, not a lighter shade. It's a deep lemon yellow with soft strawberry pink color border. 12,900. Beautiful zari woven pallu border, and it will have a contrast blouse piece throughout. The sari will have the same woven butta, and here is the blouse piece, as I said, in a beautiful pink shade blouse piece, and this is the sari. Very pretty color combination. Soothing, soft, and can be worn during day and in the evening also. Another strawberry pink with a light gold zari. See the color. Soft, beautiful, soothing, lovely shade of a baby pink color with throughout big buttas throughout the sari. And these are, let me tell you, there are many count of organzas, even if they are, it has a running blouse piece. So even they are silk organzas, there is the weight, it depends on the thread count. These are heavy quality organzas, not the stiff ones, the pure original real organzas, heavy count threads. Now coming to our favorite reds, since the bridal season is already bridal sarees, our shopping has already started, and many of you are coming for your bridal shopping. So you can see one of these gold and red color combination in silk kora, similarly to the pink one. In case I've missed out the price of the pink one, you can just check out the description part. All the details are mentioned in each post. Only booking, not by phone calls, only by, this is the blouse piece, only by WhatsApp messages. Screenshot is must. Just take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to any one of the number provided. Even if you are making the payment, please make you reply to the same number where you are making the booking. Don't after making the payment, don't send the payment details in two different numbers. Where you've made the booking, only that number please send the payment details. This is the blouse piece along with this bright, beautiful, deep red color, Kora silk Banarasi. Once we receive the payment, the order is confirmed and we will courier it to you within 2 to 3 working days. We ship worldwide, and so the shipping charges are all applicable depending on the destination and the weight of the product. This is another rich antique silver zari. It's a beautiful, it has a shine but not too loud. It's a beautiful zari. I mean, I love these this kind of zari which are not too Rolex zari kind, shiny, but at the same time it will have a sheen. 11,900 for this bottle green and red with silver zari border, deep bottle green. It's a beautiful shade. Wow, the shade is in dark bottle green, actual real bottle green color which we know. And this is the blouse piece, red and bottle green. Very neat. I mean, you can see the border, how well the Nakshi weave has been done. The each and every border is, so intricately woven. The weave is very important with corner buta, konia buta. Similarly, I have a same design in navy blue. Navy and red, again with silver zari all over, small buta throughout. $11,900 konia buta, rich zari woven Nakshi border, and yes, it will have a bright red blouse piece, lovely piece, bright red blouse piece with this indigo, with this midnight blue color, navy. Similar one in red, not contrast border, but I've given a contrast blouse piece. So instead of making it all red, I've given a contrast blouse piece, and the blouse piece is in green. So this is the sari. Yeah, the pallu will be that side. So let me see the pallu part. Show you the pallu part. Yes, it has the konia buta. This is the pallu part actually. I had opened it the wrong way. So this is the right side. This is the pallu part, and I've already shown you the blouse piece. And the price is 12,900 for this. 12,900 with woven contrast blouse, rich and gorgeous, bright red in heavy count, pure silk Kora Banarasi. Now, absolutely new concept. I always say there's something new or the other for you during this festive season. So this is another zigzag with shading. See how well the Rankat weave has been done. Lovely shade of pinkish, mauvish color tone. There are many shades. Lavender with grayish mauve. Beautiful shades. Zigzag weave in light gold zari. Pallu, product number 9, episode 130, pure silk kora. 11,900 for this beauty hand woven handloom product. And this is the throughout sari will be like this, along with the contrast lavender color border, lavender color blouse piece with a zari border. And this is the sari. Lovely piece. Very fashionable, especially the color and the zigzag weave along with the shades. Here is another sea green color. 11,900 for this too. Throughout weave, but you need nothing for this. The borders are very well cut and nothing is needed, no netting and nothing is required. See the color combination. Gold zari, achol. See the shading. Shades gulo purota shari throughout jabe, end obdi. Gold zari dewa hoyeche er moddhe, karon color ta dusty chart ache bole zari ta bright zari dewa hoyeche. Sober color combination, subtle along with brightness. একটা occasion-এ পরবেন যাতে মানে স্ট্যান্ড আউট করতে হবে, একদম আনকমন কনসেপ্টটা। খুব সুন্দর জিগজ্যাগের ওপর পুরোটা যাচ্ছে এবং আরেকবার ক্লোজলি দেখিয়ে দিই আমি কালার কম্বিনেশনটা। এটা হচ্ছে বডিটা, এটা হচ্ছে আঁচলটা। এবারে প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার সিমিলার টাইপ, প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 11। ওটা একটু মোর অফ পিঙ্কিশ মভ ছিল, এটা একটু গ্রেইশ টোন আছে এটার মধ্যে। সো আমি যে কটা তিনটে কালারই হয়েছে, only 3 colors have been woven, so I'm showing you all the 3 colors. 11,900 for this too, gray and mauve color. Same silk kora throughout weave. Very good looking sari. It's a very handsome piece. This is the blouse piece. And it's an absolute delight to show you these kind of hand woven saris from a different state altogether. Another red, deep red with antique zari. Upper part will have narrow border, the lower border will be broader. Deep red, antique weave. But many of you has messaged me that you are the first time who is wearing an antique, and antique looked so grand and gorgeous. You never felt that way. So it was a comment that a few messages that I've got from you, and it really made me very happy, because somehow I'm trying to introduce antique zaris to you. 10,900 for this. খুব সুন্দর লিখেছেন। আমরা আমাদের হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ স্ট্যাটাসে দেখবেন আপনাদের কমেন্টস, মেসেজেস, your feedback which I always upload in my WhatsApp status with the picture of the product you've taken, if you are sending that, or your messages, your comments. It's really nice. And yes, sometimes I also get that negative messages like I don't reply on time, and by the time I reply it's sold out. But trust me, I'm giving my 100% time to this episode, to your messages. I try my best because I've been involving myself with the weavers also. If I don't create, if I don't spend time in my workshop, how can I create? Then there are dispatching. I do all the message reply in the 7603042696 number, and then also there's production, there's purchasing, the outsourcing of the fabrics, there's workshop, there's embroidery designing, there's sketching, there's dealing with customers who are in the store also, and now already the puja shopping has started, so you can understand the work pressure it's on us now. So please cooperate, don't worry, we'll be uploading episodes regularly. 10,900 for this. Now Kora again another design, leher, light gold zari, see the color, soft gorgeous grand party wear pastel shade with this leher design, and along with the buta here is the zari woven nakshi weave again. I usually don't like the dhala zari. Dhala zari looks nice when there is a lot of weave in the body. When the body is subtle weave, I prefer this kind of nakshi weave. It's my personal choice actually. 11,900 for this. And I always insist my weavers to do nakshi weave. It does take more time, more effort and more skilled hands to do that, but still sari definitely looks better with a nakshi weave. This is the border, blouse piece border. This is the sari. Pallu. Similar one in baby pink. So again new design, new colors. Super soft, comfortable, lightweight, but with heavy count and not see-through because there's heavy count. Number 14, 11,900 for this pink. These are sheer fabric in silk. It's not as heavy as tussar, but it has a different charm of its own. This is the blouse piece. Now another very different color. I usually don't show these type of lime shades, but this in this fabric this looks very fresh, very soothing, very it has a very nice sober look, even if it's a very nice green color. It's a soft leaf green, lime green color. Not neon, so it look very pretty. 11,900 for this. Again light gold zari throughout, booties all over till the end with a solid color green blouse piece. So here is the green blouse piece for this. Here is the sari. Each and every sari I am opening and showing you closely. The whole thing, the pallu, the border, the blouse piece border. So please see the video properly because still pictures are not possible for me to show you. So because by the time I click the still pictures, it's gone. So in that way it's best to see the video see the video once again. You are convinced and only then you place the order. And for still pictures you can check out our Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, where the link is already provided. All the saris, the pictures will be uploaded there. So once you can check out that page also, you like the page, regular notifications you can always get. 11,900 pure crepe shikarga border. Check out the weave, bird and animal weave. Shikarga border with buttas all over in black. Yes, I was getting, even today morning before coming to the shoot, I got 3 messages for crepes. So I think I told you also that episode coming soon. So just check out the blouse piece also. Yes, this is the Ghat Chola design blouse piece, rich woven heavy blouse piece for this, and it's in black with all over butta, shikarga border. Crepe black with gold, antique gold. Any design will look nice, and when there is shikarga, kya baat. And with this rich blouse piece also. Big woven pallu with konia buta. So black, 17 is red. All shikarga border, birds and animals. Shikarga woven border, konia border, 11,900. Can you see the border? Peacock and animal. Beautiful shade of solid color red. There are many shades of red, but this red, Kora reds, these are beautiful shades, you know. This is the blouse piece for this. This has a plain blouse with the border. $11,900 for this too. Now, okay, let me show you this Rama green color. Deep turquoise, beautiful shade, new shade. 11,900, product number 18. Blouse piece for this. Shikarga border, konia buta, navy, number 19. Similar with heavy blouse. Design changes. Red with very fine tiny butas and again a beautiful Nakshi floral border. See the border. Rich pallu and see the booties also. 11,900 for this too. So I have shown you closely this, the rest I will show you all the colors. Throughout it will be this rich weave in the body and it will have a zigzag blouse piece. Black, same sari. Throughout weave, similar weave, zigzag blouse piece. See the blouse piece. Sari, pallu. So jet black with a zigzag blouse, choti booty throughout all over and rich pallu. Now something very new, very interesting. Here comes another shikarga new design. No buta, olive, stunning color. First time this color has come. Shikarga woven border, pallu, 10,950. 10,950. Check out the shikarga weaves in the pallu also. The border, prominent rich border. Throughout weave the border goes. Border pallu concept with rich blouse piece in shikarga ghat chola. Very pretty color. Rani. So just check out all the colors. Each color is a beauty. Gorgeous, rich, pure crepe, Banarasi, hand woven, handloom product. 10,950. Blouse. Same price. Red border pallu concept. So you see, I've shown you many designs in crepe. These are all available. So quickly do your bookings. Once the payment is received, we'll courier it to you in 2 to 3 working days. Blouse stitching is done. So if you want, we can do the tailoring of the blouses too and ship it to you. This is the blouse piece for this. Now coming to the rose design. Again, totally new weave. The rose design, rose woven border, burgundy, rose woven border pallu, 11,900 with buta all over, rose woven border pallu, very rich border. Even I am wearing a similar rose woven border along with again rich lovely blouse piece. So this is the blouse piece for this. So similar one, just see the pattern, how beautiful and gorgeous the blouse are. Make big sleeves because there's lot of fabric. So I'll just quickly show you the colors. There's one magenta with this blouse. Throughout same, price also same, it's in magenta. See the woven border, the pallu and the blouse. The one that I am also wearing, black with the rose border, pallu, and yes, it will have this blouse piece for this. This is also available. The neck piece that I am wearing, the mala, string mala, we have more colors. Instead of green, you can select other colors also. And this is with the polki earring with this. 2250, right? 2250 for this whole set. The mala with the 3-layer mala. It can be lengthened also if you want. And this is the earring with this 2250. The last two, okay, another color that the mannequin is also wearing, it's a maroon color. Same rose buta with a rich woven blouse piece also. Rose border, blouse piece. This is also available, same price, 11,900. Now a contrast, monotone contrast border, Konya buta, crepe, solid color, Konya buta, contrast border, 11,900. Narrow sleek border, very sleek narrow nakshi border in pure crepe navy and rani color with this rich gorgeous rani blouse. Wow, stunning piece. And with this Konya buta, this is also looking very pretty with the Now your favorite off-white and red পুজো আসছে, আগমনী collection, cream and red color, Konya Buta red woven border pallu, 11,900 red woven border pallu with rich woven blouse piece, ideal for Ashtami morning, ideal for mothers or in-laws, mother-in-laws wearing during their children's wedding, for anniversaries, lovely piece. This is a class apart. So that's it for today. I hope you like the episode of our crepes and koras. Please do like, share and subscribe, and you can message for if you want anything about your requisitions or any requirement if you want, please do message. Thank you so much. Namaskar.